Sausaw ako tiis sa mud. But it's okay because wala din naman. Something really happened. Nag-vlog sila dito, guys. Naghimo ata sila real. So, mana siya. Mana siya ang titian vlog. Wala ko. Kaya wala ko education. Diretso na sunod. Pa?
Kasama po yung ganit egg po.
Ay, hindi po.
Ilan po kayo?
Hello po.
Address, sir?
Address lang.
Tapos,
We're paying for entrance fee. Yeah. Lalamitan lang Jollibee.
saan yan?
Ano siya, guys? It's the falls and yeah, the legend of Pinuyan Falls. Legend revealed that long ago, before the Magdiwata mountain settlers were enslaved by cruel tribesmen coming from the hinterlands of Agusan, they were mistreated by their masters and were forced to perform hard manual labor. Tired of the maltreatment, the brave natives convened among themselves and created a plan to be free of the cruelty. So one day, while rowing the Gakit bamboo raft, boarded by their masters, the slaves jumped off and intentionally showed the Gakit towards the waterfalls, killing all their vicious masters and attaining the freedom that they longed for. From then on, the high falling waters is called Pinuyan Falls to commemorate the courage and gallantry of the heroic natives. Ooh, okay. Now you know. So, na sila mama padulong dito, guys. And there's the Pinuyan Falls. And it's so malakas. It's giving malakas. I can see myself. Ayan. Asa na kaya ang mga kauban? Asa na ito sila man? Sila. Sila. Kasi ulan. Ay, mabali sila nagawas? Nagsabay yung tata. Mga sila, guys, na yung mga pulis. Muna siya. Mauna siya. Bonus na! Bonus na! Nakabigyan eh. Let's go, mama! Yay! Ikaw pa! Yay! I'm floating! Wait lang lang. Hello! How is the experience? Rate it over 10. Oh, wow! Sige, Ana. Sige, Ana. Sige, Liho. Si Ana yung mga sabon. Kapila yung mga sila. To the rescue si Papa. To the rescue. Nagamove ko. Dugay ko ka-move. To the rescue siya. Dugay ko ka-abot diri. To the rescue siya. Murag coming siya.